Hello there, it's Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the Option Pit Stock Market and Volatility Report. Reminder, this is for education purposes only. Should not be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Consult a financial professional. If you have questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com, or call me 888-TRADER1. Our next masterclass starts on March 5th. It's going to be a 10-week session for investors, money managers, registered investment advisors. So this is going to be options from an investment approach. So not trading, but investing. But we're going to change the way you probably invest. 10 sessions, $997. That's a deal. If you are a client of ours, you are a subscriber, the price is going to be $697. So if you aren't subscribing to Option Pit Live or in Gold or in Platinum, now's the time to jump in so you can save $300. It's a pretty sweet deal. Speaking of sweet deals, how about this market? It is certainly liking the government shutdown officially being over. There's no more risk for a while. And, they're going to build the wall. Kind of. It's not called a wall, but they're going to build it. They're going to build the fence. Not a wall, but it's a fence. And there you have it. So markets are liking it. It's one risk factor off the table. Vol is dropping. The S&P is up. And the NASDAQ is up and the Dow. Basically, everything is rallying that can rally except for VIX. This complex is down nicely. VIX futures are down nicely. You see, Fed future down to 1560 with the VIX at 1530. The March trading at about $1.30 premium. Still really flat March, April, May. Like the curve's really flat, but the front end is going to drop like a stone as February comes off, I think. So looking at tomorrow, one of the trades we looked at yesterday was you could have bought the 15 puts for a nickel yesterday. And we said, that's probably too cheap. The 16 puts were about 30 cents. You can see all of those are up big, and there's decent speculation of the 15s being out of decent odds if the 15s ending up in the money. That's why things are trading that way. CMG seems to be finally slowing down. We're going to play with that one. We're going to take a look at the actual SPX. It's running again into that 200-day moving average. All right, the 200-day moving average is 27.43. We're only $8 away. So we are real close to the 50-day moving average, and it's held that 50 for a long time. You can see the 50 is actually now trending up instead of down. Triple Q or NDX. The 200 did not break it. It's approaching again. RUT, on the other hand, nowhere near. You can see where the underperformance is in the Russell 2000, which continues to just be the dog. And, IWM, kind of the same thing. Individual names we're watching. Again, CMG, Apple, Microsoft. Look up Microsoft here. Seems to be catching a little bit of a again. Keeping an eye on Nike. The retailer looks, man, does that look strong. Amazon still kind of hanging around that 50-day moving average. Tesla still bouncing around, needs to pick up about 40 or $50 to avoid a cash payment on some convertibles. So they're hoping for another couple days of rally. I'm not sure they're going to get it. Then, with the government shutdown off the table, you can see bonds are backing off a little bit here today. The 10-year PF, IEF is down as well. And you can see TBT is up and having a nice day. So looking at the individual ETFs, they are, they're kind of across the board. They're up, but the only one that's down is utilities, and that kind of makes some sense. I, continue to see, we continue to see some real strength in payments. Look at the chart of Square and PayPal. They look real strong. PayPal's running to 100. Visa looks strong, so maybe we'll play around with those, but PayPal looks very strong, so does Square. Notice Square, not near its all-time high. PayPal right on top of it. That shows you where that PayPal performance is coming from. I think you're going to see it pop. Venmo's moving. I think you see all these names run, and I'm going to be looking for some opportunities to trade those. Finally, your social media names, Facebook, kind of been punched around lately. Seems to be punching, maybe starting to form an actual trade. Twitter recovering after kind of get punched, and Snap is actually holding the gains that it got from its earnings the other day. So, maybe we'll play around with that. There doesn't seem to be a lot. There's not a lot of earnings left, so that's kind of off the table, and that's going to be kind of what I'm watching for. All right, folks. I will see you soon and talk to you soon. Have a good one.